Hello. In this video, we are going to learn about the foundations of machine learning. And today I will just tell you that in this course of machine learning, what we will learn in the future lessons. The first lesson here, or you can see the first chapter is about the introduction and then back learning framework. And then we will move towards the Rademacher complexity and VC dimension. After that, model selection support vector machines, kernel methods, boosting, online learning, multi-class classification, ranking, regression, maximum entropy models, conditional maximum entropy models, algorithmic stability, dimensionality reduction, learning automata and languages, reinforcement learning, and then some extra like linear algebra review we will see it, then convex optimization, probability review, concentration inequalities, notion of information theory. So hopefully in this course of machine learning you will be able to understand the basics as well as the advanced concepts in machine learning. And after that, a new course I will introduce that will include the practical Python, how you will use in order to implement the systems that involves machine learning. Thank you.